So today I'm going to be unboxing Ribose Lily Wine. I got her from AliExpress for $130.39. Shipping was $9.14, and for total I got her for $148.73. The order took just a little over 2 weeks to arrive. I'm extremely happy about the price I got her for. She was released back in August 2020, and her price that I got from AliExpress was just a little over retail. She's only 1/8 scale, but because of the stuff she comes with, her box is really big. I love her sculpt and the overall figure. The only thing I noticed was some parts of her hair are a little rough, and one design choice that Ribose took was to remove her shoes. In her original artwork, she was actually wearing black shoes, but I think they made a really great decision, and especially the sculpt they did on her feet, they're really good. Her hair also is missing some paint on the very bottom strands, but it's not too noticeable. And also, her hair doesn't sit completely flush against a flat surface, but it does touch the surface. She's super easy to assemble, and the flowers are free floating, so you can position them however you like.